Mulalo Mureni. Our struggle icons, the sons of the soil who dedicated their souls for our freedom, who fought fearlessly against white domination. Oh, our heroes and heroine, Nelson Mandela, Robert Sobukwe, Steve Biko, Solomon Matangu, Lilian Ngowi, Albert Nasisulu. The great of the greatest freedom fighters, oh, our beloved Muzanzi. Fighters who fought without retreat, they fought hungry for freedom. They stand against their oppressor with bravery. Patriots who challenged the aggressive apartheid laws. They sang against black oppression. Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chris Hani, Yuma Sikela, Kefa Semenya, Letambulu, Helen Joseph. Oh, our great freedom fighters who fought against black mentality, fiscal slavery. Humble South African who fight for good cause, who dedicate their souls in freedom fighting, who spend their whole life in pain for the gain of black South Africans. The mass and sons of the soil who become slaves of the settlers. Praise our heroes and heroine. Hey, son of the north, Peter Mukaba, who faced them telling to go away with oppression. A man who revived the youth of South Africa to revolt more against black oppression. To mention just a few, though we can't forget. Our political journalist who reported everything positive practice about our heroes, our army struggle, Umkhonto Wesizwe and Apla. I still can't live without hailing Govan Mbeki, Joe Slovo, Amd Katrata, George Bizos, who stand them in all South African unjust court to defend our patriots as of Bahad. I give praise to our artists for their voice internationally, voicing out the unjust system in Muzanzi. Here is Muzanzi now, a new dawn of democracy where all South African practice equal rights and justice. Rise Muzanzi, rise. Shine Muzanzi, shine. Viva Amanda! The blood of our brothers and sisters hasn't been shed in vain. We stand embracing the spirit in fighting oppression. Live long to those with us and may their soul rest in peace to all those who left us. It was our wish of you to witness your victory. May your ancestors keep praising Muzanzi. Peace be in Muzanzi. Peace be in Muzanzi. Aman.